Mentorship Handbook, K-Fold AI Model Integration into Business ERP. Author, Pradeep K. Suri AI/ML Architect, ERP Consultant. 1. Introduction to K-Fold AI in ERP. The K-Fold cross-validation model is a vital tool in ensuring that machine learning models within ERP systems are both robust and generalizable. Unlike static validation methods, K-Fold allows every data point to be tested, making it ideal for environments where data variety and operational accuracy are paramount. 2. Why ERP needs AI validation loops. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, systems consolidate data from finance, manufacturing, HR, logistics, procurement, and more. Applying K-Fold enables AI models embedded in these systems to learn from diverse transactional and historical data, minimizing overfitting and enhancing business intelligence. 3. K-Fold in supply chain optimization. In ERP supply chain management, SCM, module, predicting demand, stock requirements, and supplier reliability can be tuned using K-Fold. Each fold trains the AI on procurement patterns, seasonal demand, and delivery delays, producing forecasts that adapt dynamically. 4. Finance forecasting with K-Fold. Financial modules in ERP benefit immensely from AI validation. Budgeting, forecasting cash flows, and risk assessment models often deal with noisy data. K-Fold improves predictive accuracy for revenue recognition, invoice cycles, and liquidity modeling. 5. Manufacturing and production efficiency. K-Fold enables ERP systems to learn from machine data, production logs, downtime records, and defect rates. By validating across folds, the AI model ensures that recommendations such as preventive maintenance scheduling or raw material sourcing are reliable. 6. HR and talent analytics. In the Human Resource Management System, HRMS, module, K-Fold can improve employee attrition models, performance rating predictions, and hiring quality scores. The AI learns from multiple HR datasets across departments, locations, and tenures for fair evaluations. 7. Procurement planning. Using K-Fold, ERP's procurement module can enhance vendor scoring models, predict delays, and reduce purchase order errors. AI models trained across vendor behavior folds ensure resilient vendor risk assessments and sourcing decisions. 8. Inventory and finished goods management. In the uploaded video K-Fold plugin flow.mp4, you visually represent how finished goods stock can be integrated as a metric in radar charts. K-Fold validation ensures that stock level predictions both understock and overstock are well tested across different business cycles. 9. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. CRM modules benefit when customer churn, lead conversion, and sales predictions undergo K-Fold validation. It ensures that marketing spend and customer segmentation strategies are derived from thoroughly tested data slices. 10. Project Management. ERP project management modules can utilize K-Fold to train on project completion timelines, budget overruns, and milestone slippages. This leads to more accurate risk projections and data-driven project governance. 11. Quality Control, QC, Analytics. Quality management modules embedded in ERP often rely on past defect data. K-Fold ensures that the AI model predicting defect sources or inspection failures is not skewed, thus enabling consistent quality performance dashboards. 12. Sales and distribution forecasts. By plugging K-Fold into sales modules, forecasts for order volumes, regional trends, and campaign effectiveness are validated robustly. This supports adaptive pricing models and better channel decisions. 13. Real-time dashboards. Once K-Fold validated models are deployed, ERP dashboards, especially using tools like Power BI, Plotly Dash, or SAP Fiori, can visualize confidence bands, error rates, and radar charts to aid managerial decisions. 14. Plug-and-play architecture. K-Fold-based models can be developed modularly in Python, trained using sklearn, and plugged into ERP via REST APIs or Python connectors to MS SQL Server, Oracle, or SAP HANA. The radar and bar charts can also be embedded in the ERP SPI layer. 15. Author Keynote, Vision for the Future. The strength of any AI model is not just in its ability to learn from data, but in its ability to generalize beyond it. K-fold training reflects the essence of resilience training with flexibility, evaluating with integrity. This model is not just a technical demonstration, it's a strategic lens through which AI robustness can be understood by management, implemented by developers, and trusted by stakeholders. Let this model serve as a validation framework and as a metaphor for adaptability in dynamic ERP ecosystems. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, consultant, and AI/ML architect. Thank you for watching the video.